I'm gonna try to start a baking series. I'll post a baking video probably about every once a week. And today I'm making pancakes for myself and eggs for me and my mom. We're gonna make the eggs first. We got the pan. Now we turn it on to like 5.5 is what I'll do. This is a kind of big bowl because the small bowls won't fit this, but I have 6 eggs, and now we're gonna put butter in the pan. Now while we wait for the butter to start melting, I'm gonna crack the eggs. Now I just have to move the butter around so it covers the whole pan. Now I've got to whisk the egg. Okay, then I dump this into here. Grab my spatula in a minute. There we go. I'm gonna leave this out because I'm gonna rinse it out for the pancakes. And then I wait for them to start cooking and then I can scramble. Now that they're done, I gotta plate them. Now I'm gonna take my mom's into her. Almost forgot the fork. Come back for part 2.